Hello YouTubers, this is Tarif Khan from LogoDesign.Net. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo based on Arabic calligraphy. Traditionally, these are done by artists using pen, pencils, brushes, or paper cuttings. Generally, these are based or wrapped around a form like a boat, a line, or sword, or shapes like circles or teardrop. As a tip, before you get started, you might want to ask your client or a friend who knows Arabic to write out the word with all the accent marks. The accent marks will help you add more elements into the logo so you can play around and make it look better or make it look good. Now, next, all you have to do is draw the logo and digitize it. If you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to get updates, or for your DIY logo needs, head on to LogoDesign.Net. That's it. Let's get started.
I've drawn this peacock based on the Arabic characters for my calligraphy logo. I've scanned it and pasted it onto my Adobe Illustrator artwork. Next, I've created 3 layers. The first one is the drawing layer where you see this scanned image and it's already locked. The second layer, the layer above it, is the trace layer. Well, on this layer I'm gonna make the strokes, trace out the logo lines. Next, I'm gonna clear the fill by clicking the X button to bring it forward, and then press the / button to clear the fill. And then press the X button again, double click on the stroke. I'm going to change it to a bright color, like so. Then I'm going to select the pen tool with my trace layer selected, press the P button, zoom in, and start tracing. I'm going to tweak the strokes so they flow in a smooth manner. Select all, press Ctrl S to save the file. On to the next stage. Here I'm going to apply the brush strokes and also add the dots of the characters. I'm going to select everything, apply a black color to the strokes, hide the drawing layers so I can see things clearly, and then apply the default Adobe Illustrator stroke. First, I select everything except for the eye. Change the stroke width to 2 points. Select a different brush for, let's fine tune the brush angle and width. Play around. to select some different brush for each character. Fine tune the stroke. I'm going to create the brush for the crown of this peacock by creating an object, flip it, and then merge it together, and then create an art brush. Apply this brush. Okay, I want the top ends to be rounder, so I'm going to create a new brush. This looks a bit better. You'll have to adjust the head in the next stage by converting it to outlines. Save the file. Here I've increased the stroke width from 2 to 3.5, and I've also changed the tail of the bird. I've also changed the dots of the alphabets. Now I'm going to convert the brush strokes to objects. First I'll select them all, paste it onto the word layer, go to the objects menu, and then select expand appearance. Confirm everything. I'm gonna tweak the neck of this peacock, the end of the stroke. I'll just select everything, put some colors. I'm going to be adding some colors and background or gradients to this logo, and then I'll show it to you. That's it.
Right, so in today's video we've learned how to create an Arabic calligraphy logo using Adobe Illustrator and creating an art brush using the pen tool, and also modifying its default brush to apply it to the strokes. We have also traced out the logo using the pen tool. If you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe for updates. We've written a detailed article on Arabic calligraphy. The link is in the description. Now for all your DIY logo needs, head on to LogoDesign.Net. That's it from me. Bye bye.